Hi, everyone. Do not believe the headlines in the media. They're leading you down the wrong road. So this is my monthly market update for the luxury real estate market here in the west side of Los Angeles, which includes Beverly Hills, Bel Air, Holmby Hills, Brentwood, Malibu, Sunset Strip, Hollywood Hills, Century City, all of the top key luxury markets in our area, which is over 5 million. And I know there's been so many headlines. Again, yesterday, the Feds raised the interest rates again by 0.75 points, which is a big increase. And when you consider back in January, you can get loans under 3%, and now they're in the 6.5 to 7.5% range. It's a bit challenging, and it definitely has affected the market overall in the United States. However, here in Los Angeles, in our luxury segment, it has affected it somewhat, but depending on the price range. So I want to share with you what's really going on in the actual facts and data that support my take on the market. We're in a normal market. This is not the crazy market of last year or 6 months ago or the years before. This is a very normal market. And having been in this market for 33 years selling, I do know a normal market, a bad market, and a great market. So again, doesn't matter. In any market, great or bad, buyers and sellers still have to buy and sell. And not all the ones that want to sell for a high price or just want to buy will be buying now, but the market is still very strong. So let's talk about what's going on here in the LA luxury market as of the end of October 2022. I forgot for a second what year we're in. So where it seems to be the most affected is the lower price ranges of our luxury market. And again, our luxury market is over 5 million. So here's what's interesting. In our $40 million plus market of sales, there have been 21 sales so far this year as of October versus 15 in 2021. So we're up 40% in terms of homes sold over 40 million, which is pretty significant. Homes over 30 million, there have been 38 sales so far this year versus 26 at this time in 2021. That's up 46%. 20 million is up 80, well, actually not up, 80 sales so far this year versus 86 last year. So we're down about 7% in the $20 million range. The $10 million plus homes, we've had 282 sales this year versus 290 in 2021. So we're down 3%. So far, down 7% in the $20 million market, down 3% in the $10 million market, and the $5 million market, we're down 15%. So we have 829 sales this year compared to 975 in 2021. But we'll talk a little bit later about what the number of sales were of 5 million plus back in 2011. So pendings are also a little bit down. There are 64 pending sales currently over 5 million in our marketplace versus last year at this time, it was 128. So it's about a 50% reduction in the pendings at this particular moment than last year. There are 25 listings pending over 10 million this year versus 43 in 2021. So again, down about 50%. And 7 pending escrows currently over 20 million and 6 over 30 million. And I can tell you, I've got 3 different buyers coming to LA, back to LA in December that came in August and September, looked at properties for the first time, and they're coming back in December because these are international buyers. And the international buyers are back. And all 3 of them are planning to buy in December. So I personally feel we're going to have a really stellar month of December with so many international buyers coming back to LA, particularly buyers from Hong Kong, China, Taiwan, Indonesia. They're all able to travel freely, and there's no more quarantines in those countries. So they're coming here. I mean, right now it's going to be a really, really busy December. So of the 80 sales that have sold so far this year, over 20 million, where are the hottest neighborhoods? So this year, by far, Malibu surpasses everything. 17 sales in Malibu over 20 million. There have been 15 in Beverly Hills, 14 in Bel Air, 12 in the Beverly Hills post office area, which is not the city of Beverly Hills, but you have a Beverly Hills, California 90210 address, but you're technically in the city of Los Angeles. So 12 in Beverly Hills post office, 11 in Pacific Palisades, 4 in Brentwood, 3 in Holmby Hills, 2 in Hancock Park, and 2 in the Sunset Strip area. And in Hancock Park, just yesterday, our office listed the Muhammad Ali estate for $16,995,000. We listed a new property in Hancock Park as well for just under $8 million, coming on the market next week. But here's what's really interesting. So right now we're in 2020. So in 2021, there were 395 homes sold over 10 million. 2011, there were 56. That's a 605% increase in the last 10 years of homes sold over 10 million. So basically what I want to share is, yes, of course, the interest rates are going through the roof, and they've gone much higher than they've been in the last probably 10 or 15 years. So people are watching that and they have kind of sticker shock. I mean, I understand that because fortunately I refinanced my house in January at a very, very low rate, under 3%. But today you simply can't do that. And my clients that bought in the last 5, 6 months in the 3% interest rates, they're so happy that they did. And with inflation running rampant at 7, 8%, the best hedge for inflation are not stocks, they're not bonds, they're not securities, it's real estate. But real estate is a long-term venture. You buy it and hold it. You buy it because you need a bigger house. You buy it because you need a smaller house. You buy it because you need a vacation house or a vacation apartment, whether it's in New York, Miami, or wherever in the country. So anyways, the market is strong. So again, don't believe the headlines that everything's crashing, everything's down. Because again, when you really think about it, why is it that the super rich, meaning basically over 30 million, they're buying more than ever before, right? There must be something that they know that we don't. But real estate is always the most secure investment. And if you're looking to invest in LA or buy in LA, whether it's a home, a vacation property, or anything like that, I'm here to help you. So hope you enjoyed this little market report, but this is the real deal and the real stats of what's going on in our local LA Westside luxury real estate market. Hope you enjoyed it and stay tuned for our next report next month.